Hi everyone, and welcome to Map Mavin Methods. We are really excited here. We are just getting to the release of our complete overhaul of the Map Mavin system, likely about a month or two away here, and airing on the sooner rather than later side. So with that in mind, I thought we would just do a quick teaser and walk you through the front end, which will have far more features than you see in this demonstration by the time we actually go live with it. But again, I wanted to show you a couple of the things that we're excited about without revealing too much here. So for one, we've talked about it in other Map Mavin methods recently, but I really wanted to touch on it again. Our performance is through the roof now, and I know there's not that much humility in that statement, but we have put every possible minute of our time into making it as fast as possible. With a vector-based approach, we can pretty much load instantaneously, even thousands. In this case, if you look at this yellow file, tens of thousands of buildings in the city of Boulder, as well as flood data right there that I'm sure you've seen in other demonstrations. I like to use that file. But it is lightning fast, and with that, we're able to get our maps out there more quickly, and they're more shareable. What also helps in terms of speed, and I've touched on this briefly before, is our own base map that we've gone ahead and created. So I'll take these layers off and show you. So this is the Apollo Bright theme. It is entirely open source, and we've purposely made it lean but functional so that it loads as fast as possible without sacrificing information that you need to get your projects done. We think it is perfect for just about any web GIS need, and with it being open source, you're able to modify it to your needs if you think there's something that it might be lacking or could an area that it could use an improvement in. Beyond that, we've also added workspaces. We before had what we were calling sessions, and we'll be the first to admit that they were a little clunky. They weren't as user intuitive as we would have liked, so we've totally overhauled that, made it very simple. You can simply add a workspace. You can also delete workspaces, and in that workspace you can add points or polygons or lines or what have you to mark up a particular aspect of your project, and you could then delete that and share various versions of those markups, which is great. I mean, you might have different phases of, say, an engineering project, and you can go to that drop down and pull up each one and make changes to the respective workspaces. Lastly, of the couple things I'd like to touch on, I really am confident that our new and improved screen share will be much easier for users. We're calling it live share and chat, pretty straightforward, but that's exactly what it is. If you want to make a map today with conventional programs and share it with people, it's not intuitive. It's not easy, and making a map already is complicated for a lot of people. It can be complicated for myself. So we've tried to make it as stupid simple as possible in regards to both chatting and sharing where you're at. So if I were to move, and you'll see I'm not online with anyone right now, but if I were to join, I am instantly in this session because I'm already logged in up here, and anyone else who is logged in and has permissions to this map, if it's a private map or just a public map, will be able to go to this map and mark it up as they wish, and eventually in our full release we'll have the ability to edit it with multiple users making those contributions, which we're really excited about. So that's where we're at right now, and we look forward to giving you our full release real soon here. Thanks, and have a good day.